Okay, so let's start. As you can see, I will be using 4.2.1 long-term support Blender. When you open it, it will be like this. So click here, delete all of this. We won't be needing it. Then afterwards, press Shift A. Wait, let me start my screencast so you can understand which buttons I am pressing. Here it will be there. So let us press Shift A, bring out a plane, scale it as much you want. Then afterwards, hide it because we won't be needing it for now. So bring out one more plane. Then afterwards, R Y 90 degrees. Rotate it on Y axis by 90 degrees. Okay. So now afterwards, GZ, scale it a bit. This much should be fine. Okay, this much is fine. Then afterwards 3, Shift D, then P. Okay, now then afterwards scale it down because we want to create a window-like structure. We are just references this plane as a window structure. Then 2, GZ, and then afterwards press 1 and go into vertex mode. Press Ctrl B and V in order to put it into the vertices mode. Okay, so go here and 6 segments should be fine. Then afterwards merge this both M at the center. Then press O and start proportional editing. Take the root because we need a church-like structure. So okay, GZ, and you can see the circle here. You can scroll up in order to improve the proportional editing. This much should be fine. Yeah, this much should be fine. Then press A and Control Alt. We don't want the window to be so big. We want it just enough. So we want it a bit wide, this much. Yeah, this should be fine. This is quite good looking. Press A, G, Z. Keep it a bit down. Leave a bit of space up. Yes, this is fine. So now you can hide this plane. We'll be using that later. And don't forget to name your things because afterwards we can't. It will be easy for us if we know what are the names. Window outline should be better. Window underscore outline. Yeah. Okay. So press tab and go into edit mode. Press I, extrude, insert it. Then afterwards extrude it. Then again insert it. Then afterwards extrude it. This much should be fine. Okay. Now press this. Select this both by alt clicking. Alt click on the loop by pressing. You can go into 2 in order to see how the edges are selected and press Ctrl B and then afterwards scroll up or down in order to increase the segments. I would like it just this much. Yeah, this is more than enough for me. Okay, now press 3, then Shift D and then afterwards P in order to differentiate it. So hide this, go back inside 3, then X, then delete only faces. We won't be needing that. Then Alt H. After pressing Alt H, everything that we had hidden will be back. So now this is what we need. Okay. So we have to create a window. Let's hide all of it. I will be teaching you to some intricate designs that can be performed. Hide all of it. Bring a plane or X, Y, or wait. We'll be doing all that. Press Z and go into the top view. Subdivide it multiple times. I will be subdivided like 5 times or maybe 8 times because I need a bit more Beautiful design. R, X, Z. Rotate it by 45 degrees. Select, well, I would be subdividing it one more time. Subdivide in order to get this odd structure here. This one. And are these in middle though? No. Shift. Wait. Yes, this is middle, I guess. I don't know which one is middle. This should do. Yes, this is about middle. Okay. So now press O for proportional editing and scale it down and scroll it down in order to get this kind of design patterns. We'll be doing a boolean in order to get a bit beautiful designs. Okay, this much should do it. Keep in mind that we don't have to make this overlapping because it will then break boolean operation when you perform it. See, this is kind of designs you can get. Mm, I guess yes, this is fine for me. I'll be selecting this all. Select this all. Then afterwards, once again, scale it up to get weird kind of designs. See, these are the types of design I like. This much should be fine. Okay. Now go out, press A and rotate it here or on x-axis by 90 degrees. Then afterwards go and unhide all of this. You can click and drag it down in order to unhide all of this. So here RZ 90 degrees. Then where was that? Hide. Okay, this is what we need hide. So G Z and set it to origin. Wait, set origin to the 3D cursor because we want to do mirror by adding a modifier. Go to modifiers tab, this icon here, add modifiers, generate a mirror on x-axis. Okay, that should be fine. Go into edit mode, make it smaller in order to fit here, scale it down, turn off your proportional editing by pressing O. G is head, G. We won't be giving much details on the geometry. Then afterwards, Shift D to get it and go into the edit mode. A, scale it down about this much. G, and then afterwards you will be mirroring this also. Yes, we will be mirroring this. Go into the mirror onto y-axis. Remove. What is this? Wait, I don't know what is happening. Oh, it is there. It is there. It's just that we can't see it from that angle. If you press Shift Z, you can see it. Now go here, then drag it down. Select this GZ about this much. Okay, press it all. Then G. This much should be right. Then keep on turned on the clipping. Then press Shift D and put it here. See here. This is how I design the patterns for it. And then after select this one, press L in order to select the link structure. Shift D, go up about this much. Select this both and G and Z in order to make it smaller. We won't be disturbing this structure here. That is why we are selecting the down vertices. GZ in order to bring it into the center. I guess this design should be enough. Yeah, kind of. Press L, scale it up this much. GZ in order to fill out the area that we have been missing. Yeah, now this is the structure I want for my window. Let us go out. Okay, now bring, see, those are there, right? So bring this G, press GX and bring it here. Then afterwards select this and press Ctrl J. Wait, first let us apply the mirror modifier for those. Here we have applied it. Then afterwards press select this both and then press Ctrl J in order to join them because we will be extruding them. Go inside, press A, extrude in this direction. Do the same for this A, extrude it a bit slight. Okay, this much should be fine. Then go into object mode, select this and press Alt and G on X. We want them to be overlapping this. GX, wait, G. Yes, it is correct. Without a doubt, something has happened. Control Z, yes, this should be fine. Select the Shift Z, add modifier, Boolean. Go here. Wait, first, yes, this should be fine. Select this. See, as you can see, our Boolean operation is being created. If you hide this, you will get to see it. And I'll be applying this because I won't be changing anything afterwards. And when you hide something, be sure that this camera is turned off when you will be rendering it. Okay, so let us bring back our geometry here, this one. This is not something we'll be rendering, so we will turn off the camera. Okay, now this is the window that we needed. I think this is fine. Let us see if the Boolean operation works. Go into add modifiers, bevel, add a bevel 0.02 and turn it into two segments, and go here into shading tab and set harden normals and go right click and then afterwards select shade smooth. This is a typical operation in order to make it look like real life objects, because in reality there are no objects that are sharp. That is why you can do the same. Auto smooth, select this, then press Ctrl L, copy modifiers, and you will get the same modifier here also. Now this is pretty important. Okay, now press here, then press 2 and select this loop and press Shift D and P, and then after select that loop. Yes, this is the loop we had created. G in order to check. Then afterwards press F. Wait, go into edit mode, select all, then press F. Then afterwards press extrude. Extrude A G X. Yes, this is fine. Hide all of the other objects. We won't be needing them. We won't. We will be needing this plane. Wait, this one wall plane in order to make our wall. So select this plane, add a modifier, add a boolean, select this, and then I will apply it, then hide this object. Okay, this is all we needed. So now here is something that we need to do in order to make our boolean work correct. Okay, wait, I guess we did the wrong thing. We didn't need to be doing that. We'll be doing it in a different way. Do not apply the boolean yet. Okay, this window outline 2, remember the name, hide it, go into this plane, then afterwards press Ctrl R and apply a bit of loops. Yes, this much is fine. Wait, we need more loops. Let us make it something like 14, no, 16 should be fine. Yes, 16 gives out a good vibe for me. Okay, now what we have to do, listen here. Select this first one, press Shift D and then P. then go back, then select this one, press Shift D and once more P, and then delete this. And listen here. Here, these booleans we have applied, remove it for now, and generate an array. Select the upper one, generate an array. We will be seeing how much we need offset. Like yes, -2. -2 sounds perfect. Increase it till it goes down, and press Shift. Wait. Select this one and press this. Then Control L. Copy modifiers. Yes, this is what we needed. And now here we will be applying our Boolean operation on both of these. Let's first apply all this array modifier. Then select a Boolean, select this object and press apply. Do the same for this one. Select the Boolean, select the object and press apply. And we no more need this, so we'll be hiding it from our render view. And this is what we get. And once again we have missed critical step. I'll be doing it back. Okay, before applying the array operations in order to get our bricks right. Okay, how many did we do? We did 9. So first, before applying the boolean operation array operation, go here, Control R, set the number of bricks you need, means what kind of bricks you need. Make Control R, then shift it, then after one more here, Control R, press it here. This much should be fine. Go select this both, then after for this one only, Control R. Yes, this is fine. Now you can go inside, press A for both, select both, press A, go to mesh, go to split and select faces by edges. What will this do is this will separate it out. See here, this will separate each of these bricks out, and we can apply this now. Select Ctrl L, copy modifiers, and this is what we needed. As you can see, if you select this both and go inside, this is how it is. Apply and apply. Now we will be adding Boolean operation. Select this, select this. Yes, this is how it is working. Boolean operation. Select this, apply. Now this is what we needed. See this. These are the bricks that we created. It is pretty easy, as you can see. We'll be hiding this. Done. Okay. Now bring out your window and this. These are the details, right? Select this both. Go inside, and this is a crucial step. Go into select and press 3 first in order to select the faces. Select random, and then afterwards R. Rotate it however you like. I see some of these things. Oh, we forgot to do the same for this mesh. Split faces by edges. Okay, now it is fine. A, select random, G. We did forget somewhere. These both are still in joining. A, mesh, split faces by edges. A, G, 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 G. Okay, now this won't be a problem. Select random, R. Okay, now it is not giving any problem. So we need not be selecting this both, just this. A, select random and go here into transform pivot point. Select individual origins in order to give access respective to each of the faces. Rotate it on X a bit, just a bit. then rotate it on Y. Once again go, select random, rotate it on Y a bit, uh, just slide too much less. Select random, rotate it on Z, then afterwards once again select random, rotate it on Y slightly. About this much should do. Yes, this is about right. And select all of them. One crucial step here. We want materials, right? Select new, and once more select new, and make it this darker. Go into the look there mode, make it this a bit more darker. Okay, select random, assign. See here, new materials. We will be selecting this material. Select random, assign, plus new. Select random, assign. Select random, assign. Select random, assign. I don't like this method much. Select random, assign. Then select one more random and assign. And select random. We'll be creating one more material, a whitish bit, something like this, a bit bluish, and press assign. Too much bluish. Yes, about this much should be right. Yeah. And here there is too much white. Yeah. Now this is about looking like a brick structure. And for this one, we'll be giving this material. And here also same material. Okay. Now this looks better, but with darker material, let us see. I like this blue material because it gives out a bit stylized look. This is how I like it. And make it this one also not so dark, but just light and different blue hint. Let's do the same for other materials. Yes, now this looks different. Stylized kind of thing. Go here, select this both A, and extrude it backwards. Or front you could, but I won't be doing that. Control Z. Select random, extrude, and then afterwards once again I'll be selecting, no, I'll be selecting random anymore. This is about right. Okay, select this both, press A, G, wait, I'll be selecting this both A, G, and X. About just, yeah, this is about right. And select this loop 2, and then first extrude it on x-axis. This looks pretty good enough. Don't forget to save it. Church wall, UTORA. Yes, save it. Now we are done with the church wall. I won't be adding any more details here. This looks good enough. You can use it as a styling structure, like select all, Control J. Uh, Wait, I won't be doing that. That looks very ugly. Select this, then select this, then Control L, copy modifiers in order to give them that. Then select both of them, shade out a smooth, shade out a smooth. Now this looks stylized. Yeah, it's good enough for me. I'll be proceeding further. Okay, so we'll be unhiding that plane that we had created and give it a bit nice color, like this feels good enough. Press Shift A, add area light, GZ, scale it, give it like 100,000 something. Go here, check the screen lights, screen world, and yes, give it a bit dim color, GZ. Then select the 3D cursor, Shift D, RZ, or about this, RZ, and yes, then scale it down, GZZ. I want it to be white and bright. I'll be increasing the intensity to 2000, and then GZZ, then RZ, R. How about this much? Then Shift D, RZ. Okay. Then Shift D, RZ. About this GZZ and RZ, R, X, Y. Yes, Y. And I'll be putting this into a disk and scaling it down, and GZZ about this much. Yes, this feels good. Shift A, bring out the camera, go here, press N, press view, camera to view, about like this. Put it into a good structure. We'll be doing a backdrop here. Extrude Z, select this, Control B, about this. Yeah, this feels good. Then we'll be selecting this area light, Shift D, R, and then G on X axis. Then scale it up. Wait, median point, scale. Yes, this much should sound good. Shade this smooth. We'll be giving it a different light, of course. Something like this. Okay, done. Go back to your camera, set it into a right spot. I'll be making my camera squared 1080. Then afterwards, once again, setting it right into this position. 920. It should be fine. Something like this. Yes. Yes, this is about good. I'll be putting here my logo and stuff. And go into the cycles. Go into the GPU compute. And there are a few tricks. Put max samples to 100. However you like. That will be up to you. I like this setting always because this makes it fast rendering. Transmission, we don't have any glossy materials here. and transparent also put it into 2. This is the setting I like to follow always. And put out a render image. Yes, and we are almost done. Wait a few minutes and your render will be done in a few minutes. It was pretty easy, right? And you also did learn a few new kind of setup to do. Well, try to think in a different way whenever you can. Means how the things are working in the background, how you can make geometry in different kind of ways. It is pretty easy when you think in a technical way how to approach something. Okay, let's end it here. It is about done for me. Thank you for watching.